Join us as we unpack the latest headset in our VIVE Focus series, the VIVE Focus Vision. We'll show you what's included in the box and how to attach the battery to the headset, charge it, and more. Here's what you'll find inside the box. The VIVE Focus Vision headset, 2 controllers, a battery, an AC adapter, a splitter cable, a gasket spacer, a lens cleaning cloth, a size reference card for glasses, a warranty card, and a safety guide. To attach the battery to the headset, hold the headset and take off the magnetic back pad. Align the battery slot with the slot on the headset, and then push in the battery to click it into place. Reattach the magnetic back pad. Plug the AC adapter cable into the battery and then connect the AC adapter to a power source to charge it. To charge the controllers, connect them to the USB port on the right side of the headset using the splitter cable. Turn on the headset by pressing the power button for around 3 seconds to start charging the controllers. When you're ready to put on the headset, undo the Velcro fastener on the top strap. Press and hold the quick release button and then gently pull until fully extended. Next, place the front of the headset over your eyes and then pull the battery over your head. While still holding the quick release button, slide the headset band until the battery fits comfortably against the back of your head. Turn the adjustment dial to fine-tune the fit. Adjust the headset strap until it's snug, and then attach the Velcro fastener. If you're going to wear glasses while using the headset, make sure the size of your glasses doesn't exceed 150 by 55 millimeters. You can use the reference card included in the box to check. Also, if you wear glasses, make sure they don't touch the headset lenses. If needed, you can attach the gasket spacer to the headset. These are just a few of the things to know before you start using your VIVE Focus Vision. Check out our other videos to learn more about your headset.